Favorite place I visited, if I'm allowed to answer with several, because this particular year I have had the ability to travel in ways I never thought I would. Number one, I went to the Boundary Waters in Canada with a bunch of Boy Scouts, and we went canoeing for 7 days, no showers, no internet access, no soap, and we were carrying our canoes from place to place, and it was absolutely blissful to be completely away from everything, exercising every day. We canoed 75 miles. Second place, Oxford, England. I got to go there with our seminary as a faculty member and sitting in a cafe right in Oxford, watching people walking by in their regalia at all times, it seems like in Oxford, and sipping tea was simply delightful. And the third place that I got to go this year that has had such an impact on my life is Pakistan. So I was in Pakistan not too long ago, and just the difference in culture, the ways that we were able to step in and start to help with education was life-changing. I would say to students who are newly taking this course to first checkpoint themselves on what their attitude is as they enter in. Most of us have one, and for a lot of us, taking a writing course is like going to the dentist or taking a math course for some people as well. So to checkpoint whether or not they feel like they already know everything they need to know, or they feel like I don't really know anything and I don't want anyone to know that I don't know anything. And any of those answers and anything in between is fine, as long as you're aware of it, be honest with yourself, and open your mind to learn some new things. So I have built this course out of 30 years of experience of teaching writing, of having to write myself under great pressure. And so this is not a repetition of a community college course, a high school course, or even a basic writing course at another college or university. This is designed differently for the 21st century, for the kinds of writing we need to do, and teaching you to think beneath the surface about your own intentions so that you eventually can write in a way that is effective and persuasive every time.